Got the Louisiana hot sauce from Popeyes right here. Put one on the bottom too. So we got a po' boy from McDonald's. Double fish fillet. Add some lettuce, add some tomato, some Louisiana sauce. This, oh my God. This is good. Delicious. Thank you for recommending this. Oh my. We gotta raise the roof. Raise the roof. Raise the motherfucking roof, baby. Raise it. Oh my God, this is so good. If you have any other food hacks or restaurants that you want me to try, let me know. Put them down in the comments. Now follow for more tips and tricks that actually work. And don't forget to like the video.